My name's Benjamin Lawrence. I'm studying a level 3 diploma in countryside management. This is Daniel.
Yeah, and I'm studying extended diploma in countryside management. I'll be going on to Reading University after this course to study environmental management. The course has allowed me to do that.
A lot of the units are very countryside driven, so if you're thinking about something that's not particularly something that's fixing for you well, this college provides areas where they have niche activities where you can essentially flourish. It gives you the opportunity to be able to be engaged with different cultures and a very big social environment as well, people from different backgrounds, so it allows you to engage from all different forms of communities. So it's allowed me to improve on my social ideologies and driven through obviously the practical side of the course as well.
Well, I think the college is really good, you know, it's in the middle of the countryside, unique environment compared to most colleges. The tutors here are great, really, you know, engaging.
With the structure of the countryside management course, it's very good because sometimes you'll be spending lessons doing theory in class, learning about all the different habitats and whatnot in the ecology, and then you'll get the odd day where you go out when you're applying practical methods to the environment, and it's really nice and it's very different to just spending all your time in the classroom where you can go out and actually spend time in the sun and out in actual nature, which I feel connects you more to it and allows you to get a better understanding of what it's like to be out there. Because Sparsholt covers a very large practical element and it's not just theoretical, that it allows you to get more job opportunities by going out there, because that's primarily what a lot of industries look at, is whether you're hands-on, whether you can apply your skills within the workplace, and Sparsholt allows you to do that. You're studying in a wonderful habitat, you've got trees, woods, grasslands, fields all around you, and it gives you the really good environment to, you know, really build yourself and take some alone time as well.
The best part of Sparsholt for me is partly what you touched on, is the environment. It's a great site, you know, it's different habitats and friendly environment, friendly tutors, it's great. Yeah.